चाहिए इशार.
Hi everyone. Now look, till now we have discussed about area to the circle there. In our last topic, we have discussed about the relationship or line to a circle in a plane there. In our last topic, we have discussed about tangent to a circle there. Now today we are going to again going to revise with our concept circle there. Now in today's class, we are going to be discuss our topic area related to circle. Area related to circle. Look out. We are going to again revise again our basic concept here. What is our circle? We know that. What is our circle? Circle is what? It's a collection of all points in a plane from a fixed point to a fixed distance. What is our fixed point there? Our fixed point is what? It's called as a center to the circle there. What is our fixed distance? Our fixed distance is what? It's a radius to the circle there. Now look, what is our circle? So suppose we have a plane there. What do we take? We take a fixed point there in a plane. From fixed point, we take a fixed distance there. And from fixed distance, what we do? We are going to take a collection of all points from a fixed point to a fixed distance there. Now look, what is our? This is our fixed point. It is our center of the circle there. What is our fixed distance? This is OA is our fixed distance. This is our known as radius to the circle there. Now look, what we have? We are going to again revise our basic concept of circle there. What is our circle? Our circle is a collection of all points from a fixed point to a fixed distance. The collection of all points from a fixed point to a fixed distance is known as our circle there. And our fixed point is known as our center of the circle. And what is our fixed distance? This is known as radius of the circle there. Now look, we are going to revise what is our circumference of circle. Circumference of circle. We know that. What is our circumference of circle? When our radius is the radius of circle is r there, we are known that our circumference is given by 2 pi r. What is our area to the circle? What is our area to circle there? It's a pi r square. This is our circumference of a circle. This is our area of the circle. This is our basic concept that what we have to be used there. Just suppose we have a circular ring there. What we have? We have a circular ring there. We take a circular ring, and now what we have? This is our ring, and now we have to find the area of this circular ring there. Then there is a two circle there. One of the circle with radius small r, and one of our bigger circle with radius capital R there. Our capital R there. Now to find out the area of this circular ring, how can we get this area is given by? Now our area is given by. We are going to find out the area of the bigger circle. What is our area of the bigger circle is what? It's a pi r square. And what is the area of our smaller circle is there? It's a pi r square. Now area of the ring is given by, we take common our pi, and it's a r square minus r square. To get we use the formula whenever we have to find out the area of the circular ring there. What we use the formula there? We use area is equal to pi r square minus pi r square by taking the common pi there. It's a r square minus r square there. This is the our area related to circle, and we use to find out its area there. Now look, I am going to revise you. We are today again we are going to start with, we have discussed our area related to circle there. We start with our basic concept there. We are going to discuss how can we get the circumference of circle, and then we get how we get the area of circle there. Then we have discussed about the area of circle. How can we get the area of circular ring there? And remind you, our diameter is given by 2 times radius there. That's mean our diameter is given by 2r. Our diameter is given by 2r. This is till now this is our basic concept what we have already discussed in our previous classes there. After discussion of this our basics, we are going to discuss some basic problems related with our the basics concept. Circumference was circle there and area related circle there. Then some problem based on of the area of circular ring there. After that we are going to be discuss about how we can get the area of sector, how can we get the area of segment there, area of line segment there. On the basics of we are going to discuss with our what we are going to discuss with, we are till after that when we are going to discuss with some problem there. After discuss some problem, basics problem there, then we are going to discuss with the area, how can we get the area related to the minor segment or major segment and area of sector there. Now look, we are going to start with one of the basic problem. Look, now we have to find the diameter of a circle. Now what we have? We start with our basic problem. Find the diameter of a circle. We are going to find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 628 centimeter. Now look, we start with our basic problem. We have to find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 628 centimeter. We know that what is our, we have to find the diameter of circle. What is given there? We have given, start with given part. What is given? We have given circumference of circle. What is, it is what? 628. What is our circumference? Our circumference is what? When we just suppose we have a, let radius of circle is equal to, since it's in a centimeter there, then we take our radius in a centimeter, capital R centimeter. Then what is our circumference? Our circumference is given by 2 pi r. What is the value of 2 pi r? We have given 628. Look, we know that our diameter is what? 2 times radius of the circle. Therefore, we have to be used to get diameter. We use, this is our 2 into r. Then our diameter d. What is d? D is given by 628 upon, we change our 2 into r by d, and this is our pi. We are transposing it. Then we have 628 upon pi. Now we are going to put in the value of, again we have, this is our pi, it is our irrational number, this is our irrational number. What is the, for our convenience, we use the value of pi is what? 22 upon 7 there. It's a 622 divided by value of pi 22 by 7. Now what we do? We have 628, this is 7, now upon 22. Now we are going to solve it. It's a 11, this is 236, 212, 248. Now we are going to divide by 11. 11 to the, it's 11 to 22. Then we have carry 9 there. Then it's a, I hope so it's going in a point there. It's a value is 628. Then now it's a, we have to be divided by. Now it's now what we have? We have 620, 314. What we have? 314 divided by 11, 11 to 22, then 94, then 11, 8, 88, point 11, 5, 55, then it's approx 28.55. Now we take 28.55. Then to get diameter, what we have to do? To get diameter, we are going to do, it's a 28.55 into 7. It's mean 7, 5, 35, carry 3, then again carry 3, 56, 9, then 5. It's our diameter is what? Then our diameter is given by 199.85. It means we can take approx to 200 centimeter. This is our diameter of the circle there. Now I am going to again revise you. What is our basic problem? Find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 628 centimeters. What we do? We start with taking the, let the radius of circle is our r centimeter. Again, we know that our circumference of circle 2 pi r is given by 628, and we know that we have to find the diameter of circle. What is our diameter? Diameter is given by 2 into r radius. We take 2 into r by d. Now we have to substitute our pi to the right hand side. It's in there, in left hand side it's in product part. Then after transposing, we are going to, it's dividing by pi our right hand side. Now 628 upon pi, the value of pi, put at the value of pi there, 22 by 7. Then we get the value of d is what? Approx 200 centimeter. This is one of the basic problem. Now we are moving with our next problem. Now, look, we are move with our next problem. What we have given? A wire when bent in the form of a square. A wire when bent in the form of a square. What is given there? There is given a wire when bent in the form of a square enclose an area of let's enclose an area of 484 centimeter square. 484 centimeter square. If the same wire is bent in, if the same wire bent in, if the same wire bent in the form of a circle, in the form of a circle, find the area of the circle. Find the area of the circle. Now look, we are moved to our next question. It's our problem number 2 there. What do we have? We have a wire one wire when bent in the form of a square. It's enclosed an area of 484 centimeter square. If the same wire bent in the form of a circle, find the area of the circle. Look, what we have? We have a one wire. We are going to be bent. So suppose we have it's bent in the square A, B, C, D. Then it's enclosed area of 484 centimeter square. It's a 484 centimeter square. Then what we did? We are going to be, we take the same wire. What we did? We are going to be, it's same wire to transform or we make a circle. If the same wire bent in the form, we take a same. Just suppose we broken from A vertex, from the vertex A there, and we again stretch the wire. Then what is the length of the wire there? If we have a square ABCD, we are going to broken with from the vertex A there, then we get it's our length AD there. Then it's a what? This length is equal to the what? Perimeter of square there. This is equal to the perimeter of square there. Means, and we use the same length of the wire. We use the same length of the wire to make a circle there. Then what we have? What is here? What we see that the perimeter of square is the length of the perimeter of square is equal to the circumference of circle there. Then here we have to find out the area of the circle. To find out the area of circle, what we have to do? We have to find out first the radius of the circle there. If we are able to find out the radius of circle there, then it's easy to find out the area of circle there. Now we are moved to start with our solution. What we do? We have given area of a square. What is 484? Look, we have a given area of a square is what? 484 centimeter square. Now let's suppose the length of a square is what? It's a centimeter. We take the length of, then what we have given there? A square is what? 484 centimeter square. Now we have a square is 484 centimeter square. Then what we do? How we get a? Taking a square root of 484. What is square of 484? It's a 22, because it's equal nearest to 20. Then it's a square root of what? It's a 22. Now we get the side of the square. We get side of the square is what? Our length of side of the square is 22 centimeters there. Now look, we get the our now, but we using a wire which is in the form of a square there to make it a circle there. Then we need a, first of all, length. We need a length of the perimeter square there. Then we are going to find out perimeter of a square. How we get perimeter of a square? 4 into side. Now we get 4 into 22 centimeter. Then we get 88 centimeter. Look, now we get the length of the wire. We using same length to make it a circle there. We are going to be using same length to make a circle there. Now what is? We use the same length of perimeter to make a circle there. Then what we get? Just suppose the radius of circle is what? R centimeter. Then what we have? We have now 2 pi r is equal to what? Length of perimeter of a square there. Then it's a 88. The value of 2 pi r is 88. Then again 88 divided by 2 pi. We are going to find out the value of radius there. Now our 88, 2 into 22 by 7. Then it's a 88 into 7 divided by 44. Now it's divided by 2 times. Then the radius of circle is what? 14 centimeter. Now what do? We are going to find out. We are find out the radius of circle there. Look, a wire when bent in the form of a square enclose an area of 484 centimeter square. If the same wire bent in the form of a circle, find the area of the circle. Look, what we do? We start with the area of square given 484. We are going to find out the side of the square. It's a 22. Then we are going to find out the length of the wire by how? It's equal to the perimeter of a square there. It's a 88 centimeter. Then the length of same wire is bent into circle. Then its circumference is equal to the 88 centimeter. Then from using the circumference of circle is 88, we get the radius of circle, but we have to find out the area of the circle there. Now we get radius, then we are going to move with, we are going to find out area of circle. Area of circle, what is? It's a pi r square. Now area of circle 22 by 7. This is the value of pi there. Now what is the value of radius? It's a 14. 14 into 14 being a square there. Now 22 into 2 into 14. Hence it's a 44 into 14. Now what we do? 44 is a 56, then 6, 5, carry there, then 61. Then our area of circle is given by 616. Our unit is centimeter square there. This is our area of the circle. It's a 616 centimeter square. It is one of the important problems because in this problem, actually it's using a transformation method. First of all, we have a given a square there. Then the square is converted into a circle there. Then you have to be use the basic concept there. Our square, the same wire is transformed into the circle there. Then we have to be use here the concept of perimeter of square as well as concept of perimeter of circle there to find out the area of the circle there. Now we are moving to our next basic problem. We are going to start with next basic problem. Till now we have discussed 2 basic problems based on our area related to circle there. Now look, what we have in our next problem, what we have given there, the sum of radii of two circles is 140 centimeter. In this question, what we have given there? The sum of radii, radius is a singular word, radii means it's our plural of radius there. The sum of radii of two circles is 140 centimeter. What is given there? The sum of radii of two circles is 140 centimeter, and the difference of circumference is, and the difference of circumference is, and what is given there? And the difference of their circumferences is, and the difference of their circumferences is, what is given there? Numeric value. It's a 88 centimeter. It's given a 88 centimeter. Oh, we have to find the distance. We have to find the diameter of circle there. Find the diameters of the circles. Diameters of the. We have to find the diameter of the circles. Now look. First of all, go through some problems. Read out problem. What we have given there? We have given the sum of radii of two circles is 140 centimeter. Means we have two circles there, which radius. The sum of radius is what? It's a 140, and the difference of their circumference is given 88 centimeter. Then we have to find the diameters of the circle. We have to find the diameters of individual circles there. So suppose make two circles having a difference radius r1 and one is r2 there. What we have given there? We have given r1 plus r2. The value of r1 plus r2 is what? It's given in there. The sum of radii of two circles is 140. Write down here 140. The sum of radii of circles is 140. We use there 140. Now it's given again. What we have given there? We have given a differences of their circumferences. What is differences of their circumferences? Means its circumference what? 2 pi r1. It's what? 2 pi r2. Look, one of the major thing is that it's not given. We have given sum up there, but it's not given which one is greater there, because we have to be used there difference of the circumference there. That's why from our figure we make a second circle is larger there. Then to make difference, what we are going to do, because our difference is positive value there, then what we do, from our figure I am going to take it's a 2 pi r2, because its radius is larger than its circumference is obvious larger than first one. Then 2 pi r2 minus 2 pi r1 is given by 88. Look, there is a one of the changes there. I have taken r2 is here. What we take? Here I am taking r2 is greater than r1. You can also take our r1 is greater than r2, because here is not mentioned that which one of the radius of circle is greater there. Then we have to there. It's based on B. What we have to choose the one of the radius there. Here we take our r2 is greater than r1. Now what we have? We have differences of circumference is 88 there. Now 2 pi r2 minus 2 pi r1. We take 2 pi r common there. Now we have r2 minus r1 equal to 88. Now to get the value of r2 minus r1 is what? Divided by 2 pi. 88 divided by 2 pi. The value of pi is what? 22 by 7. Now again we are going to solving it. 88 into 7 and 44 again. I hope so we get the radius is what? Here difference of radius is what? r2 minus r1 equal to 14 centimeter. Now look, here we have given sum of radius r1 plus r2 140 centimeter. Here we have given difference of radius r2 minus r1 equal to 14. Take this as 2. Now we are going to find out the individual radius there. Now what we have? We have R2 plus R1 is equal to 140. Now, from here what we do? The value of R2 is what? 14 plus R1. From here we are going to put out the values of, otherwise all of you are aware about the elimination method there, because I am already teached you linear equation in two variable. Then I am going to just use our any method there. I am going to using our substitution method there, but you can going to apply with our elimination method. It's one of the easy method there. I am going to we can apply our elimination method there. R2 minus R1 is 14. Applying our elimination method, we are going to add equation 1 and 2. Then what do we have? This is plus R1 minus R1. This is cancel out. Then what do we have? 2 times R2 is what? 154. Then the value of R2 is given by the value of R2 is given by, look up. First of all, we have to find the diameters of the circle there. Then this 2 R2 is what? It's a diameter of. If R2, then its diameter is what? D2. Its diameter is what? D1. What is our D2? 2 times R2. What is D1? 2 times R1. We get the our second radius 72, but our the first answer is what? One of the diameter of circle is what? 154, because 2 times R2 is our diameter of second circle. Then we get one of the result. We have to find the diameters of circle there. Then one of the answer is what? It's a 154 centimeter. It's a 154 centimeter. To get now we get R2 77. Putting the value of R2 in any equation there. So suppose we are going to put here. We are going to put here also R2 plus R1. It's a 77 plus R1 is equal to 140. Then the value of R1 is what? 140 minus 77. What is 140 minus 77? 63. Then it's a 63. We get the value of, then what is our diameter? D1 is what? 126 centimeter. Oh, look, I hope so. There is one of, look, sorry. Look, what do we have? We have to find the diameters of a circle there. I have supposed that this difference is not 140, because here is the sum of the radius there, but we have to find out what? We have to find out the diameter there. Then one of the diameter is what? 126, and the second diameter is what? 154 centimeters there. Now this is our one of the basic problem there. Now we are going to move with our next problem. That look what we have there. Now look one of the basic question we have take there. Then now look, the radii of two circles are 8 and 6 centimeter. The radii of two circles are 6 and 8 centimeter. The radii of two circles are 6 and 8 centimeter respectively. Now find the radius of the circle having area equal to the, find the radius of the circle having area equal to the, sum of the areas of two circles, having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. Now look, what we are given from the radii of two circles are 6 and 8 centimeter. Means we have given R1 is equal to take 6 centimeter, R2 is what? We take 8 centimeter. The radii of two circles are 6 and 8 centimeter respectively. Now we have to find the radius of circle having areas equal to the sum of the area of two circles. Let's suppose the radius of circle is given by R centimeter. Now what we do? According to question, what we have given there, area of this circle. The area of circle is given by pi r square. The area of equal to the sum of the areas of this circles. What is we have? The pi 6 square plus pi 8 square. What we do? Because it's given that in condition there, having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. First, we have a first radius 6 1. What is its area? Its area is given by the area of circle, which radius is 6 centimeter, is given by, again the area of circle which radius 8 is given by. Now what is given then? We have to find the radius of circle whose area is equal to the sum of the areas of these two circles. Taking pi common out, 36 plus 64. Now we have pi r square. Cancel this pi out. Then we have r square is what? It's a 100. Then the value of r is what? 10 centimeter. We get the value of radius what? It's our 10 centimeter local. Till now we have discussed all things. Tomorrow we are again come with our next examples with there. Look, we have discussed our problem there. Now tomorrow we are going to discuss with our topic there. Now look, this is our basic problem there, what we have discussed till now. Now we are going to start with our basics. General, this is our basic problems what we have discussed here. Now we are moved to our next topic, which is on the based of our class 10th level there. Just suppose we have a circle. We have a circle with center. Now what we have? This is our AB. This AB is what? This is our arc. This is our arc of circle. ACB is what? This is our arc of circle, and this extremity is AB. It's our line segment. Now we are moved to be use our two things there. We are going to find out the here. When we are talking about what is the this area, how can we get this area, or how can we get the area? First of all, when we are going to find out this area there, then by dividing line segment AB, this small region is known as, this is our minor segment, and the region, the whole region is what? This is our major segment. This is our minor segment, this is our major segment. This length ACB, this length ACB is known as length of minor segment, and the whole length is called as our major. What is this? This is area. What is our area of minor segment? The area include between the arc ACB and the line segment AB is our area of minor segment. Move to next concept there. Again we have a circle there. Take a circle with center O there. Take again an arc AB. Now what we do? We are going to joining this extremities by to the its center there. Now we have again a region there. This OAB. What is this? The area between the region. The area enclosed by the region of the radius of two circle to the arc there. It is known as our sector of circle. This is known as our sector of circle. Now here we have discussed about minor segment and area sector of circle there. Also we have discussed we can find out the area of segment there. Also can we find out the area of segment there. Then now at the class 10th level we are going to introduce next two or three formulas there to find out the length of segment, to find out the how can we find out the area of sector there, how can we find out the area of segment there. To find out the length segment, okay. Now just suppose we are going to find out the length of segment there. Just suppose its length of arc ACB is what? L. The length of segment is given by, look, just suppose this arc make an angle theta there. It's make our arc AB make an angle theta on the center of the circle there, and to get the what? To get length of segment, suppose it's given by L there. what we use formula theta is to 360 into 2 pi r. After solving, what we get? Theta upon 180 into pi r. This is our first formula to find out the length of segment of the circle there.